Hey guys, Chris here, and as you probably guessed, I bought the iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gig. I've just done a quick video on my channel, but also just to be really quick, I also bought the leather case for it. So I wanted to do a really quick unboxing because I've had these cases for pretty much every iPhone I've owned, and sometimes I switch them out and I take them off, but I really wanted to get the new leather one. I've had this now for 2 years and it's done pretty well. I mean, as you can see in here, I don't know if you can see on the screen, but there's not much wear to it. It has a really nice finish to it. A couple of nicks here and there, and that's where I've dropped it, and the phone has stayed pristine. So I do genuinely think that these are really good cases. So I bought I think this is, I don't know what color it's called, midnight green, I would think. Forest green, it's actually forest green. But I bought this to go with my midnight green iMac Pro. So I thought I'd do this really quick unboxing just to show you what comes in the cases for these things. It's literally nothing. It is just the case and a really stupid picture of how to put it on if no one knows how to actually put it onto the phone. So that's just a dummy's guide right there. So, iPhone 11 Pro in midnight green. Pop it into the case like that. And there you go. Pretty cool. I quite like the color of this. It keeps the green look going. If you're spending a lot of money on the green and then you're covering up with the case, at least you get the glass of the green coming through there and the green at the bottom. I'm not going to have putting this on the phone all the time, but when I go to London and things and it's quite a busy environment, I wanted something to protect it just in my trousers for the moment. I'm sure there are going to be a lot of third-party cases coming out for now, but you know, at the moment, whilst these are really new, the second day of them coming out, and I've just got hold of it, I want something to protect the case, to protect the phone. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, real quick, and peace.